The Apple iPhone 14 is a great device, but it needs the best rugged case to protect it from any potential damage. Whether you're out in the wilderness or just living an active lifestyle, your iPhone 14 needs a reliable case that can handle all kinds of conditions. In this video, we will take a look at the 8 best rugged cases for the iPhone 14 and why these cases are worth considering. So, watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is Diverbox iPhone 14 Case. Introducing Diverbox for iPhone 14 Case, the ultimate heavy-duty protection phone case cover. With enhanced shockproof and drop-proof technology, you can rest assured your phone is safe from any potential bumps or falls. Not to mention the added bonus of a tempered glass screen camera lens protector providing unbeatable scratch resistance and crystal clear picture quality. Lightweight yet durable, experience the convenience of pocket-friendly portability without compromising on protection. Number 2 is Urban Armor Gear UAG Designed iPhone 14 Case. The UAG Designed iPhone 14 Case is the perfect combination of slim and lightweight protection. Crafted with a shockproof and drop-proof material, this rugged case will ensure your phone stays safe from any bumps or falls. It's also compatible with wireless charging, so you don't have to remove the case to charge up your device. The sleek black design looks great while providing all-around protection for your iPhone 14 no matter where you are. Number 3 is i-Blason Armorbox Series iPhone 14 Case. Keep your beloved iPhone 14 safe and secure with the i-Blason Armorbox Series case. With its elevated bezels and precise cut, this case will protect your device from scratches and cracks while maintaining a slim profile. Its hardback case and raised bezels provide superior protection against scratches and cracks. Moreover, it comes with a built-in kickstand for hands-free multi-angle viewing so you can watch your favorite shows on the go. The built-in screen protector also adds an extra layer of protection to keep your phone. Number 4 is SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro Case for iPhone 14. Are you looking for the ultimate protection for your iPhone 14? The SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro Case has got you covered. This tough case features a built-in screen protector which prevents scratches without compromising touch sensitivity. For extra convenience and comfort, it also comes with a detachable swiveling belt clip for hands-free and pocket-free carrying. You can conveniently carry your device wherever you go thanks to this versatile belt clip feature. Number 5 is Miracase Glass Series designed for iPhone 14. Introducing the Miracase Glass Series, a revolutionary way to protect your precious iPhone 14. The 6.1-inch full-body clear bumper case not only looks great, but also provides superior protection for your device. Its 9H tempered glass screen protector guards against scratches and shattering, while its camera lens protector keeps out dust and dirt that could ruin photos and videos. And it's the perfect shade of blue to add a touch of style to your device. Number 6 is the Poetic Revolution Case for iPhone 14. The Poetic Revolution Case is the ultimate protection for your iPhone 14. This all-encompassing, full-body case provides superior protection against drops, bumps, and scratches with its 20 FT mil-grade drop-tested construction. With a built-in screen protector and sturdy kickstand construction, you can watch videos from any angle without worrying about damage to your device. The lightweight material also adds to the comfort of everyday use. And is AICase for iPhone 14. If you want the best protection for your phone, the AICase for iPhone 14 is the way to go. Certified drop protection ensures that your device will stay safe during a fall. The inner polycarbonate shell and rubber outer cover provide military-grade shockproofing against impacts, while raised edges protect both camera and screen from cracks. In addition, its non-slip edge design gives you a secure grip, so you don't have to worry about dropping it in the first place.